Hello traders, this is Jay from daytradingsupport.net, and I have my performance for today, Thursday, April 7th. We're looking at the crude oil contract ending in May 2016, and you can see I took one trade today. It was right near the open. Let's see, we started seeing some volume that I thought would be worth starting to trade. Um, it already started when news happened at 7:30, but anyway, so yeah, we can figure that technically the market for crude oil opens at 750. So we'll put our marker right there. So right at the open, there was already contracts being bought and sold. Um, it was a little sluggish, but I just took from the outside of this channel. You can see I drew this green box. Um, After it peaked up and it couldn't break through it, it came back down, and that's when I entered my trade. Just scalped a quick 5 ticks. I kind of knew that it might hit the bottom end of this range and then just reverse back up and channel. Looks like it made an attempt to break out to the downside. It was a fake out, came back up, tested the highs of this range, broke above. It looked like everybody thought this was going to move to the upside, and you could see that it was kind of doing its accumulation mode, which is a familiar pattern. Sometimes it will break to the upside. If that happens, I had an order waiting right up here above this pivot high. So if it would have broke to the upside, I would have taken advantage of that moving to the upside. But it didn't. It rejected, and then it came back down, tested the range lows, and then it attempted to break out again. And so we're just doing this channel sideways, sideways. So I started taking notice that after we made this high, came back and made this low, I realized we were in a reverse wedge, and I was no longer interested in trading this market. So I stayed out, and it's a good thing I did because we're just dancing up and down sideways. So reverse wedge, clear to identify until we break out of that wedge, or we break out of maybe these highs, or yeah, probably if we take out these highs right here, made it looks like early in the morning, 7:20. If we can take that out, we might have a good shot with some momentum to the upside. If we break maybe these lows, we might see a continuation to the downside. So I hope that helps, and until next time, we'll talk soon. Thanks.